the problem with this one is when you place the metering lever, it gets stuck. That's the problem with this one, doesn't drop. That's because of this tab, it's hitting that molding, that excess molding, which is not flush. So if this is flush, this won't have any problem. So some of you who purchase the metering lever have the same issue with this one. This is what you're going to do. So you have a knife, just cut this part here, then just to make it flush. Okay, so try it again. So you'll see that it moves freely. So you won't drop. And also moves freely. So because that tab here is not hitting that excess molding.